Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set auto logout time in Green Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Green Crypto Wallet application on your device and log into your wallet. Now click on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now you need to find settings option here. After that, scroll down until you see the option named Auto Logout Timeout and click on it. It is set to 5 minutes as default. You can set it as 1, 2, 5, 10 or 60 minutes. Click on the desired time you want and your auto logout time will be changed. So that is how you can set auto logout time in Green Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.